What's up, my people? What's going on? Hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. It's a nice, beautiful day outside. The sun is hot. The winter is gone. Saying the people are up. Saying so. No, today, my people. After you guys watch my video, I made my chicken macaroni pie last night. All kind of herbs and spice. If you haven't catching it, please go watch it. Right. So now today we have chicken macaroni pie, right? We'll make two of them. Right, so I'll show you one of them. Just give me a minute. So now today what I'm gonna make up real quick. I don't have to cook the food part because the food part is already done. Right? All I'm gonna do, cook the meat part. Right? So this now, actually, you know what? Let me bring it down instead of me tilting my hand showing you. Then, let me bring it down. I'll show you what time is it, people. Here we go. Alright, my peeps. So now, today, what we have here, we have some cabbage, right? All, cut up. And we have all the onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. And then we have some diced up carrot underneath, sweet bell pepper, green, right? Trust me. And then we have fresh thyme, but we're going to use both fresh thyme and the dry thyme, right? Because the dry thyme do have a lot of because it dried, it have a big punch, right? When you use the fresh thyme, you get it just the way it is. You get the fresh herbs, yes. But when it dry, the strength come out of it even more. Really, I found that out because even when you smell it, it'd be stronger. Than you can't smell the green one; it won't smell. But the dry one, you can smell. Once you open that bag, you can smell the thyme. So that's why I use both fresh and dry. Alright, my people, now this is my chicken. Just cut up a block of chicken. I'm gonna make this saute first, and then I'm gonna throw in my cabbage, right? Carrot, sweet bell pepper, garlic, and garlic powder. I'm saying, people. Oh yeah, and then I'll show you my macaroni pie that I make last night, people. Here it is, right? Let me bring it down. Right? Here it is, people. That's my macaroni pie that I make last night. But I'll try and open it because I'm using one hand, right? So yeah, my people, look at it. My macaroni pie, my chicken macaroni pie, peeps, it's delicious. See? And I always said I make my food, I make it different from everybody. Right? I can't see myself make macaroni cheese pie and then just put cheese and macaroni with a little black pepper and your fingertips of salt. For me, no. That's a no-no. I'm from the Caribbean, so I cook it the Caribbean way, right? Macaroni, a chicken macaroni pie, lots of herbs in it. Like there's thyme, scallion, onion, garlic, right? Everything is in it, people. That's how I make my chicken macaroni pie, right? And now we turn us back to this. We're gonna start cooking up this, right? We're gonna use this pot because we have some gravy in it already, so we're gonna just saute everything in that, and then we're going to throw our cabbage on, and then throw in, these are all the seasoning that I need. I'm still going to put some dry rub, but I'll show you that in the process. Alright, peeps? Alright, my people, just keep watching. This will be shortly done real quick because I don't have to cook the food, right? Alright, so now turn on my stove, get this pot bubbling. So as you see, I'm gonna do, now I have some gravy from last night, but instead of throwing away my gravy, I'll show you guys what you do with it. What you're gonna do now with that gravy, you're gonna warm up the gravy, make it get real hot, right? Then you're gonna throw that chicken in, and then combine everything. Trust me, you can't go wrong, people. You can't go wrong. If it was like 2-3 days, that would be gone. But that was the last night's supper, right? So I'm not gonna waste my gravy. This is good gravy, really delicious, spicy, hot, just the way I like it. Huh? We don't throw a good gravy like that. I don't think so. See, so a macaroni pie, trust me people, it's awesome. It come out good, you know. And I already slice it up, you know, dice it up so you just take out a slice. Really, 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 really nice. Hope you guys go and watch that video, you know, go check it out. See, and please, just hit the like button, please people, because it doesn't take nothing just to eat it, you know what I'm saying? You don't lose nothing, you only gain, you know? So you gain a lot more. Once I gain, you gain, you know what I'm saying? So you're helping me to help you to help myself. That's what we're doing. So thank you in order, people. All right, so the fire is on. I don't need that spoon. I would need something like this. This. I'm looking for a fork and I can't find it. Oh, here it is. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Yeah, my peeps, that is it. Nice. See? Nice, people. Nice, nice, nice. It's hot. Quite good too. And before I forget, people, let me introduce you to my Cold 45, my favorite beer. Today's Sunday. It's a nice day outside. Tomorrow is a work day, so I chill out at home. I'm not going to go hang out in the street, blah, 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 blah. No. I'm going to stay home because, you know what? Tomorrow is a work day. Alright, people, so no, let's throw in our this. The chicken can go in on a feed bad boy. Nice. Everything in. No, you're going to drop in a little bit of there you go. So what we want the chicken pre-cooked, right? Because we're gonna put all these greens on top, and you don't want to put raw food and veggie together just like that. It's not a good idea. So you gotta cook these first. And once it's almost finished cooked, then you put this in and make it finished cooked with it. Yeah, my people. That's what we're doing. Are you ready for your tall boy yet? I know. Yeah, my people. So we're getting a night. It's a beautiful day, people. I'm telling you, outside is nice, man. I'm really nice. Okay? It's a very nice day outside. So, today, I like cooking with beer, you know? Really, so I'm telling you guys from now. If your kids are eating it, don't put beer in it. Don't cook with beer. But if they're adults, yeah, why not? Right? Get flavor, people. You use a little bit of beer, you know what you're doing. Don't overdo it, just a little bit. Can't go wrong. Alright, almost ready. Alright, my people, but no, without further ado, I'm going to put in my cabbage now, right? So, see, my chicken is where the stage I want it at, right? Now it's pre-cooked. Now, I'm going to, but next 2 minutes or a minute so, I'm going to throw in my cabbage and let's see what time is it. Alright, please. I'm going to throw my cabbage in. Then once I put the cabbage in, I'm going to put my herbs and spice and all these cut up. So, nice. Now remember our water, right? Our beer water, rest of seasoning. Show it. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, my people. I just use the beer, wash it out instead. Alright, people. Then we're gonna put our stuff on it now, right? All the seasoning, everything that I cut up. You know, sweet bell pepper, onions, scallion, thyme, garlic, and some carrot. right, people. There it is, peeps. Nice. So what you do next? We're gonna put some dry herbs in it. Right, so the first one we're gonna put is garlic, pepper, and herbs. Some cool runnings. Then we're gonna put some chicken seasoning. Alright. Garlic powder. Although we have fresh garlic in it, but we need garlic powder too. Right? You never have too much garlic, trust me, people. Cayenne pepper. And then we have some dry thyme, right? We have fresh thyme. So now remember I told you I'm gonna put some dry thyme. Right? Yeah, we're gonna put some dry thyme in it. People, the dry thyme is strong, man. You can smell it, people. Really strong. I like it. Okay, so put a little bit of this. Right, and then top it off. We're gonna put a little bit of. This is turmeric powder. But we're not gonna put too much. We just put a little bit, and that's about it, no, people. So now, once you put all of that, what are you gonna do next? I need 2 forks. Gotta mix this thing up now, right? The way I like to do it, I like to use 2 forks so I don't mistake. Food keep on jumping on my pot. You're gonna go back in. Alright, nice people, look at it. So when you're cooking cabbage, you gotta turn down the heat. Yeah, it's good. It's perfect, people, trust me. So let me bring you down, people, so you can see what time is it. All right, my people, this is it. Look at it. This is my cabbage with chicken, right? First, you get the chicken prepared and get it cooking. Don't throw the cabbage in yet until it actually almost done cooked. Then you put the cabbage in. Lots of herbs and spice. As I said, thyme, scallion, onion, garlic, thing, sweet bell pepper, cayenne pepper, habanero, ghost pepper, which is from habanero family, right? So Everything is in it. Thyme, two kind of thyme, dry thyme and the fresh herbs. Right? So it's all in it. So yeah, people. So now I'm gonna put this camera down and then you know cover it. Right? That's the next thing we have to do. Just cover it. All right. So uncover. Oh. Yeah, my people. So you turn it down and make it go and do its thing. So in the meantime, that done, everything is got to go to garbage, clean up at the place. Then I like to do, once I'm done, I want to clean up everything. Alright, we're gonna clean up back this place before we get out of this. Alright. Board. Yeah, people, I gotta clean up at my stove. Sometimes when you cook, you cannot help the splashing. You just have to just deal with it and then clean after. You have to just deal with it, my people, and clean after. Right, nice. Nice. Turn this down. I hear my cabbage going on, man. Good. All right, people. Okay. Wash out back everything. Good. So now let's check on our stuff. Right. Coming great, people. Look at this, my people. Check this out. See ya? Yeah, man, this is my cabbage and my stuff, I'm saying. So, you know, cabbage contains water, right? That's why when you cook, you don't try not to put water in it. I mean, I put water in it because I know what I'm doing. Okay, so this water will dry out in about less than a minute. Left in the meat, everything frying. And I'm trying not to make that happen either. I don't want the water to dry out. I want it to go down. Yeah. Yeah, people. That's it. Chicken. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try it out. And the cabbage to make sure. See how far away the cabbage is before it's done. So, yeah. People, let me put back my camera up here for a minute. Pretty close. Pretty close. That's pretty close, people. Okay. 5 to 10 minutes, done. Spicy. Young people, really nice and spicy. Go good. It'll be good, people. Coming out, that's perfect. All right. Look at that. Yeah, my people, it's all right. It's A-OK. So, almost done. Almost finished. You're ready to eat yet? You know, our food almost done, so which is good.
Yeah.
All right, my people. Supper finished early, all because last night, as I said, let me show you again. I make my, my chicken macaroni pie. My chicken macaroni pie. Lots of herbs and spice in it. No pepper, just herbs and natural spice. And this is my cabbage with chicken, carrot, sweet bell pepper, onions, scallion, thyme, garlic, then paprika, cayenne pepper, then two kind of thyme. You have this one, which is the green, the early, the fresh thyme, and then the dry thyme. Okay? And as you can see, people, food done. Turn that off. So now we can chill out. It's a beautiful Sunday outside. As you can see, it may be too bright, but look, it's a beautiful Sunday outside, people. Really, it's a very beautiful day. Man, I love the summer like I love the Caribbean, trust me. That's why I miss the summer so much, because when you're from the Caribbean, you will miss all that, man. It's like, it's a part of me, man. But now it's back for a while, so there, let's see. All right, my people, please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Then, Flint Food and Adventure TV, and please go check out Flint BC TV. And a lot of contents. I try to put on contents every single day. Right? And if we don't see the content during the day, trust me, because sometimes it takes so long to upload it. It can take at least 2 days. It's still uploading. Because when you edit, right? Once you edit and you take out certain things and you put in certain things, it takes a long time, so it takes a while. That's why most people don't edit nothing, they just put it on, make it, and just you get it raw. But sometimes it's good to edit. You need to chop some things out of it, right? So to make YouTube happy and to make me happy. So without further ado, people, have a good day, have a good long weekend. Blessed to everyone. My family out there, you know, enough love. We'll link up one of these days. Don't worry, I'll never forget about you guys. Saying, but I'm not a very talkative person on the phone, so you know, I only use the phone for work. Right? If I'm gonna see my family, I'd rather see them in person. They don't agree to that, but hey. Alright people, until the next one, bless up.